How to fix errors when you trying to insert the data to the table in database in using the Postman after you change the field names in table. It means that before you change the field name, okay, you can insert it to the database using Postman, but after you change, you cannot. You see the error like here, okay, 260 invalid columns. Okay, so this is the old columns. Okay, and here is the new column. I put it the correct the correct field, and I also check the field name in table also, but it still happen like this. It still recognize the old field names that I have deleted. Okay, so how do we fix it? This is the solution how to fix it. As you can see is my old field names, and here is my new field names. It's the same as the table in database. Okay, so we do a little bit configuration on Postman. So we solve it. We go to the cookies, okay, on the right side, and then you click on clear all cookies. Okay, so the problem is on it's catch in cookies, so you delete it. Okay, you clear cookie all, and then you trying to connect the database again. Okay, it's connect. Then I try to insert again. Send. Okay, it's done. It's successful insert to the database. So thank you for watching.